In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit stages in Pipedrive. Let's start right from your Pipedrive homepage. From here, head to the Deals section. You'll find it on the left-hand sidebar, usually marked with a $ icon. This opens your pipeline board, where all your deals are organized by stage. If you manage more than one pipeline, first make sure you're looking at the correct one you want to change. At the top of the pipeline view, look for the option to edit the pipeline, often shown as an edit or pencil icon near the pipeline's name. Click that to enter edit mode. This is where you control how your stages are named, ordered, and structured. Once you're in edit mode, you can tailor the stages to match your sales process. Click a stage name to rename it, keeping labels short, clear, and action-oriented so your team knows exactly what each stage represents. If you need a new step in your process, use the option to add a stage and place it where it logically belongs. If certain stages aren't useful anymore, you can remove them, but do a quick check first to make sure there aren't active deals that still need those steps. Reordering is as simple as dragging stages left or right until the flow matches the way your team actually works. A quick but important reminder, reordering stages can impact your historical statistics. Reports like conversion rates between stages and time in stage metrics may look different after a shuffle. If you rely heavily on past data, consider making incremental changes, documenting what you changed and when, and communicating it to your team so everyone understands any shifts in reporting. As you refine your pipeline, keep consistency in mind. Try to keep the number of stages manageable so your team can move deals confidently without overcomplicating the process. If available in your plan, review any stage level settings, such as default probabilities, and make sure they reflect reality. It's also a good idea to standardize definitions for each stage so everyone uses them the same way. When you're happy with the names, the order, and the overall flow, take a final pass to check spelling and confirm there are no duplicate or confusing stages. Once everything looks right, click Save Changes. Your updates go live immediately, and your team will see the new structure the next time they open the pipeline. That's it. You've successfully edited your Pipedrive stages to better fit your process, helping deals move more clearly from start to finish.